Hello everybody! In this video I'd like to show you my best rated free data recovery apps.
If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
Personal computers and laptops, smartphones and tablets, as well as other computing devices are used worldwide to store important and personal data. With hardware reliability issues being of less concern nowadays, the question of ensuring safety and security of user data is always relevant. Gadgets and storage devices may break down or be damaged for a number of reasons beyond the user's or manufacturer's control. But you may end up losing important information in any case. Even theoretically, there are no devices to guarantee 100% integrity of your data. But if you lose information due to a system failure or accidental removal, there are good chances to restore the missing files. When a file is removed, and no matter why and how it happened, this information is never deleted from the storage device irreversibly. The operating system labels it as deleted and believes it is gone. This way, things are less resource-intensive than actually removing the file, until such file gets physically overwritten with data from other files. It means that any removed file can be restored until a certain amount of data is saved to this storage device and the file in question is finally overwritten when new data is recorded. So, in this video, we'll be talking about the specialized utilities to help you restore data deleted or lost from the hard disk. Following an extensive testing program, we listed these tools by the number of files they were able to recover, from the worst to the best result. So, let's begin with the tool that ranked 8th on the list – PC Inspector File Recovery, because it managed to recover the least number of files. Still, PC Inspector File Recovery can be helpful if you need to bring back the data lost for any reason. It comes absolutely free of charge and supports FAT and NTFS file systems. Among other upsides, high-speed work, thorough hard disk analysis and several recovery modes. This product features multilingual interface and a unique function to recover boot sectors for logical disks. Unfortunately, it finished last in terms of recovering lost data. Also, it may be quite resource-intensive while scanning, and some files lost after quick format were never recovered. A peg up, you can find Disk Drill, previously known as Pandora Recovery. Not much of a big name, but very convenient to use. This free app is a good choice for device users. It can recover any deleted data after emptying the recycle bin or removing files with the Shift+Delete key shortcut, and even after removing files with Command prompt. Pandora Recovery lets you restore any files deleted from a hard disk, memory card, USB flash drive and other media, but with a limitation. Only a certain file type at a time – photos, documents, videos. There are certain disadvantages, though. It wasn't able to recover files deleted a long time ago. The menus only support a few languages, and the list of compatible file formats is relatively short. RSaver ranked 6th, because it managed to outrun the two products I have already mentioned by recovering more files. RSaver is one more simple and free utility with a multilingual interface designed to recover data from flash drives, hard disks, and other storage devices. It needs no installation and is easy enough even for newbies. As a bonus, you get an extended help file. The tool features support for NTFS, FAT and XFAT file systems, deep or fast scan for the hard disk, and you can adjust the settings to skip bad blocks and find more files. Talking of performance, alright, it can do fairly well, but don't expect any wonders. Some files can be recovered, and some can't. Position 5 goes to Soft Perfect File Recovery, which is another free utility. It can recover deleted files from all popular media types and a variety of file systems, including FAT32 and NTFS. However, it is only true for deleted files and doesn't apply to file lost after formatting or changing to a different file system. The app is teensy, just 500 kilobytes, but it does the job well and ranks 5th in our top list. It needs no installation, consists of a single file, and can be run from a flash drive. The simple interface supports many languages, including those from the Slavic family. A special feature is filtering the files to be recovered by their extension. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard has nearly made it to the top 3. Compared to other recovery products, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is distinguished by a few downsides, but also unique features. Scan result can be saved, so you can open it and recover the files you need at any time, so you don't have to rescan the disk again. After a quick scan, you can see paths and names of the files to be recovered. Use the search window to find the required file among the many that can be recovered. You can recover files from storage devices with HFS Plus file system, used by macOS. This tool is easy to use with the preview option and the opportunity to recover many files at the same time. The biggest downside is that the amount of data you can recover for free is limited to 500 megabytes, but if you only need it once and there are not too many files to restore, it's certainly worth your attention. Finally, we have reached the top 3 tools, and it opens with Recover. This free tool is one of the best-known solutions to recover data from hard disks, flash drives, and memory cards, and even a novice user can handle the task easily. There is a convenient wizard for simple recovery operations, and if you are looking for advanced options, they are just one click away. Recover can restore files in Windows 10, 8, Windows 7, XP, and even in more outdated versions of the Windows operating system. We can't say that this tool is super effective. For example, with the disk formatted into a different file system, the recovery result was not too impressive. But it's a good choice for cases when you need to know if anything can be recovered at all. The main downside is that this tool only supports Windows, and there is nothing you can do if your machine is running macOS. Also, it doesn't seem too quick, and some users reported Recover crashing during the scan. Finally, there is little chance it can recover anything from damaged disks. Our second best choice is Puran File Recovery. This is quite a simple and free data recovery app, which is good for cases when you need to recover photos, documents, and other files after deleting them or formatting the disk, or when some files are lost because the hard disk, flash drive, or memory card is damaged. Puran File Recovery appears a most effective solution if compared to all the previous tools. The test results are really impressive. It supports over 50 file formats, and this list can be extended even further, which means that you can recover almost any file, even if it has a very special format. The main disadvantage is that the installer tries to add additional software to your computer, so if you choose Puran File Recovery, be attentive and read the terms carefully to make sure you don't get tons of stuff you don't really need. To my mind, using a portable version will obviously save you this trouble. No installation, no hassle. Strangely enough, the top pick is PhotoRec, as it managed to recover the biggest number of deleted files. PhotoRec is a powerful data recovery tool, but it can be difficult enough for novice users because it doesn't have the conventional graphical interface, and all actions are performed with the help of the command line. Despite that, PhotoRec can find and save deleted documents, images, archives, in total about 500 file extension types. What is more, the actual finding range is unlimited, as advanced users can create required file signatures on their own. So, if they need to find a specific type of data, here you go. You can install this tool to DOS, Windows, Linux, macOS and other platforms, which makes it a really versatile solution. For Windows, the latest version of PhotoRec packs in the long-expected graphical user interface. As I said previously, you had to use command line for all actions. So now it's easier for anyone who's not actually a PC expert. With all those good things, we still couldn't recover some files, but generally we were overwhelmed by the great results of this free app. Still, don't get upset if none of these tools could help you recover your files. There are some alternatives to consider, but for a small pay. If the information is very important, it could be worth it. I'd like to offer you our best product, Hetman Partition Recovery. It's the most versatile tool of all presented in today's video. The range of available functions is not limited to restoring a specific file format or working with a specific type of storage devices. The reason for data loss doesn't matter either. The powerful algorithms will recover files even in the most complicated cases. If you are not sure it can recover your data, you are welcome to use the trial version. It lets you analyze the storage device and view the contents of the files that can be restored. If a file is shown in the preview window, it is 100% available for complete recovery. Hetman Partition Recovery packs in the preview function for deleted images, documents, electronic spreadsheets, multimedia files, compressed archives, and a hex editor as an advanced feature. With the hex editor, you can see the sectors where the contents of the deleted file are stored and view service information on logical disks or the physical drive. Advantages: support for all versions of Windows, a most user-friendly interface similar to the Windows Explorer, recovering any file type from any storage device, a simple and convenient file recovery wizard to make the process much easier for novice users, a built-in hex editor for most complicated data recovery scenarios and for the needs of power users, save scan results for a specific storage device and use it later to recover the files without having to run the scan again. One of the options is to create a disk image and recover data from there. It comes in especially handy when you work with a damaged disk that can break down completely anytime. A complete user guide is available for download from the developer's official website. And for any questions you may have, use that website to contact the online tech support. Talking of disadvantages, the only disadvantage is that there is no version for macOS. But this tool can recover files both from local and physical disks. File recovery is possible even from storage devices after formatting or from those with a missing file system and recognized as RAW. In addition, you can recover deleted and missing partitions. And there is always a choice between two types of analysis – fast scan or full analysis. After a quick scan, you can see paths and names of the files to be recovered. With full analysis, the detected files will be sorted by file format. The integrated preview feature lets you see the contents of the files to be recovered regardless of its format. That is, you can view an image or Office document, listen to an audio file, or watch a video. There is no limitation for the total size of the files you can recover. Files can be saved to a hard disk, USB flash drive, CD, DVD, uploaded by FTP, or to any other physical or removable drive. Hetman Partition Recovery is an advanced data recovery tool supporting various file systems including FAT, FAT16, FAT32, and NTFS. It can help you recover compressed or archived files, lost folders, and even entire disk partitions. Use it to bring back the data deleted by users or applications lost after a virus attack, a software error, power failure, or a formatting operation. To crown it all, We offer round-the-clock online tech support for anyone using a Hetman software product. The program's menu is based on the step-by-step principle, so there is nothing to confuse you. Just choose an option you prefer and click Next. You can recover your data in just 3 steps. Choose the disk or data storage device you need to recover information from, select the required disk analysis type, and start it. Save the required files or folders. And that is all for now. I hope these programs will help you fix the problem of data loss. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Push the bell button to receive notifications and never miss a new video. Leave comments to ask questions and share your opinion. Thank you for watching and good luck!